The question is that example, it says simplify. What simplify? 3a square b to the power 4 c to the power 3. You can see that 3 that is on top, which is on all these numbers. Okay, that 3 is on all those numbers are a b c and 3. So let's apply this 3 on that 3, this 3 here, that 3 on this, that 3 on this, all of these. So it will become 3 to the power 3, a to the power 2 to the power 3, b to the power 4 to the power 3, and c to the power 3. Now let's simplify. 3 to the power 3 is 27. Okay, 3 to the power 3 mean actually 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. And I explain you in one of the rules above that if there are two powers, you need to multiply them together. So a to the power 6, 2 times 3 is 6. B to the power 4 times 3 is 12. And c to the power 3, so that is the answer. We have simplified that. So you just need to apply that 3 inside the bracket and then apply the rules which you have learned previously. Now let's simplify these questions. So I will simplify them here. Question number A, and here you need to apply rule number 1, and I explain you when the bases are same at the power there is a multiplication, so it will be e to the power 11. 7 plus 4 is 11. Now this is in division form, so it will become f to the power 9 minus 5, which is 4. Okay, that is rule number 2. Rule number 3, there are two powers, that is g to the power 6 to the power 1 by 2. So just multiply these two powers, so it will become g 6 by 2. Okay, that 6 will be multiplied with that 1 to the power 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, so g to the power 3. That is the answer to part C. Part D, let's multiply them. So that would be 2h to the power 5, j to the power minus 2, multiply 3h square and j power 4. You can see that, let's first multiply the numbers. So 2 times 3 is 6, and you can see this is h powers 5, that is h power 2. There is multiplication sign in between, so bases are same at the power, so it will become h to the power 5 plus 2 is 7. Similarly, j minus 2, j to the power minus 2 and j to the power plus 2, so it will become j minus 2 and plus 4 is 2. So that is the answer to question part D. And similarly, these are you try these questions. Okay, what you need to do, 6 to 5 to the power 3 by 4, you need to replace 6 to 5 by a number when I want to make 4 in the power, so that 4 and 4 cancels out. You can see in the calculator 5 to the power 4 is 6 to 5, so it means I can replace that 6 to 5 by 5 to the power 4. And why 5 to the power 4? Why? Because I want to make sure to take 4 here in order to cancel out these 4 with that 4. So 5 to the power 3 now, and 5 to the power 3 is 5 times 5 is 25, 25 times 3 is 70, 75 is the answer. Okay, you can solve that. 25 to the power minus 1 by 2. So you can do that by in this way, that I can write 5 square in place of 25, and that will become minus 1 by 2. This 2 will cancel out. 5 to the power minus 1 is the answer, but you can make that shift this to the denominator in order to make that minus positive. So 1 by 5 is the answer. In part C, you flip that, so that power will become positive, and then solve it. Okay, try that part C. So till here we have completed this lesson. In the next lesson we will start multiplying out brackets. Bye.